Hello students, today we are going to solve some problems of exercise 9.1 application of trigonometry. So let's start. So here it is first question. A circle artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So here AB is the pole and at point C the rope is tied and AC is the rope of length 20 meter and the angle with the top of the pole from this point C on the ground is 30 degree. So we have to find here the height of the pole AB. So angle of elevation, angle ACB is given 30 degree. Now here we have to find out the height of the pole. So the given value for the right angle triangle is hypotenuse. So we have to find out which trigonometric ratios give the hypotenuse and the perpendicular ratio. Yes, it is correct. In right triangle ABC, we have by sine theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and we can say AB upon AC. Then we know that sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is height of the pole we have taken h. So h upon 20 and hypotenuse is given 20 meter, that is length of rope. So we get h is equal to 20 upon 2 or it is 10 meters. So we can say the length of the rope is 10 meters. Now similarly we can solve the another problems as we are taking the question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So let AB is the tower and a point on the ground is C which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, and the angle made by this point with the top of the tower is 30 degree. So angle ACB, this acute angle is 30 degree. Now we have to find out the height of the tower. Now here again height and the base, this ratio gives in 10. So we can write tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC, and tan 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 3, and AB is the height of the tower. We assume this as h. So h upon 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, and further it solved 30 upon root 3. Now here this 30 upon root 3 we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying and dividing root 3. So 30 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. So it will become 30 root 3 upon 3. And this 30 will cancel out by this 3. So we get h is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So we can say the height of the tower is 30 degree angle is given from the top of the tower with the point on the ground is 10 root 3 meters. So height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Now let's take one more. Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So here it is figure where the height of the kite is AB shown by this figure, and O is the point where the string is tight on the ground, and the angle of elevation from this point O to the kite position at B. So angle is given 60 degree. So in the right triangle BAC, AB is the height of the kite and length AOB, this is the length of a string, and OA is the distance of kite from the ground point O, and we have to given that height of the kite is 60 meter, that is kite is flying at a height 60 meter above the ground, so AB is the perpendicular which is 60 meter. We have to find the length of a string, that OB is the length of a string. We have to find this OB. So let's start. In this triangle, right triangle BAC, angle O is given and we have to find out the length of a string, that is the hypotenuse of the triangle, and OB is the hypotenuse where AB is the perpendicular in this right angle triangle. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, this ratio gives the length of string, and we can solve this as we have the sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So by using the sine ratio perpendicular upon hypotenuse, we can write AB upon OB, and by putting the value sine theta is 60 degree, that is sine 60 degree is equal to 60 upon OB, and sine 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 60 upon h. So by cross multiplication we get root 3 upon 2 into 60 is equal to 1 upon h, and we can take the inverse in both the sides. So we get 2 into 60 upon root 3 is equal to height. Now this root 3 again we can rationalize. So by this we get 120 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, we have to multiply here for the rationalization. So we get h is 120 root 3 upon 3, and this 3 divides 120, so we get h is 40 root 3 meter. Now we can say the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter, which is tied on the point O at the height of the kite is given 60 meter.